So protection. This is the same day that I've done my other video. I'm still wearing my little romper jumper thing. It has pockets. Anyway, totally different subject, but I can see myself. I like the pockets. Anyway, to do protection on yourself before you're going to do any dowsing. This is also something that I use before I go out, because there's all the people out there. It's a nice element of protection that you feel when you're out with other people. If you're going to be seeing someone that's extremely negative and you want to protect yourself a bit, it's another good way to do that, but it's definitely something that you want to do before you go and do any dowsing. My dog was just drinking water and distracted me. It's easy, pretty easy. Okay, so do you know what an aura is like? All the layers of colors that are around you. It's kind of like this. So that is what you're going to visualize around your body. So you're going to start by closing your eyes, relax, breathe. You can hold onto your stomach like I am, or anything, just something to sort of ground yourself. So then what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in your first breath, and you're going to say to yourself or out loud, however, cleanse as you breathe in and protect as you breathe out. So as you're doing that, you're going to visualize the different chakras in your body. And at the end, I'll put a picture of what the chakras are, but you're going to visualize red down here at the base, and you're going to visualize the red down there, and you're going to say cleanse, and you're going to visualize the red filling your body from top to bottom as you say cleanse, and then you say protect, and in your mind you're pushing it out to form the first layer of your protective barrier. So then the next one would be orange from down here. Again, I'll share a picture at the end. Orange, and you're going to say cleanse as you visualize the orange coming in and going through your body, and protect, and that's going to just land on the next layer outside. So we're going to continue on. Then it's going to be yellow, visualize, cleanse, and protect. Yellow sitting outside. Green, your heart chakra, you're going to say cleanse, visualize the green throughout, and protect. It's going to be blue. Then it's going to be two different colors of purple, one for your third eye, one for the top of your head. Then once you've gone through all those, you're going to visualize silver coming from the top of your head, cleanse, protect. Then it's going to be gold, cleanse, protect, and one final one, the bright white protective light coming in and filling your whole body, cleanse and protect. Now with that one, I visualize it fully in, I'm fully in a bubble of white protecting me and all of the chakras. And then you're protected. And then you can go ahead and start dowsing. You can go see that mean person or not. That's actually not even ideal, but sometimes you can't help it. You can just protect yourself basically against any negative energies, but definitely do it before you douse.